If you're intrigued by the idea of a career that allows you to work from anywhere in the world, there's a wealth of digital nomad jobs suited for beginners like yourself. From crafting visual designs to managing online presence or even teaching virtually, the possibilities are diverse. These entry-level roles not only offer flexibility and autonomy, but also the chance to acquire valuable skills for a future-proof career. As you explore the realm of digital nomad jobs, you'll uncover opportunities that align with your interests and pave the way for a fulfilling journey ahead. Entry-level digital nomad jobs. If you're new to the digital nomad lifestyle and looking for entry-level opportunities, consider starting with roles like data entry, transcription, copywriting, and online teaching. These entry-level digital nomad jobs provide a solid foundation for beginners to kickstart their remote work journey. Data entry positions focus on precision and reliability, making them accessible for newcomers to the digital nomad scene. Transcription roles require patience and accuracy in converting audio files to text, offering a chance to hone your attention to detail skills while working from anywhere. Copywriting positions are perfect for individuals with writing, research, and communication skills, providing a creative outlet to begin your digital nomad adventure. Whether you're interested in online English teaching, social media management, freelance writing, virtual assistant tasks, engaging in online forums, exploring affiliate marketing, or simply aiming to work from anywhere, these entry-level roles are a great starting point for aspiring digital nomads. Remote work opportunities. Flexible, remote job options. Remote work opportunities empower individuals with the flexibility to work from any location as long as a stable internet connection is available. As a digital nomad, you can explore various remote work options, such as freelance writing, where you create content and earn while traveling. Virtual assistant roles allow you to provide remote administrative support to businesses. Fiverr freelancing is a platform where you can showcase your skills, build a client base, and receive reviews for your work. If typing is your strength, consider becoming a transcriptionist, converting audio-video files into text with project flexibility. Online teaching, social media management, and starting a blog are also lucrative remote work opportunities that make you location independent. Explore these options to kickstart your digital nomad journey and enjoy the freedom of working from anywhere. No experience required. Jobs entry-level positions for all entering the digital nomad space without prior experience opens up opportunities for no experience required jobs that can kickstart your remote work journey. Data entry is an entry-level job that suits beginners in the digital nomad world, allowing you to input, update, and maintain information digitally. Transcription, which demands patience and accuracy, is a good starting point for those with no experience, involving converting audio or video files into written text. Copywriting offers an entry-level, flexible career path for aspiring digital nomads, allowing you to create compelling content for various platforms. Online teaching, a high-demand option, can be profitable for beginners sharing their skills online, providing educational value to students worldwide. Social media management is another avenue for beginners, bridging the gap between companies and their online audience through content creation and engagement strategies. These roles offer accessible entry points into the digital nomad lifestyle for newcomers looking to explore remote work options. Best digital nomad careers. Remote work opportunities for nomads. Optimize your digital nomad lifestyle by exploring the most lucrative career paths in the remote work industry. For beginners, online teaching is a high-demand field where you can share your skills and knowledge while earning a profitable income. Social media manager roles are ideal for entry-level digital nomads, offering the chance to connect companies with their online audience and delve into the realm of digital marketing. Freelancing is a great option for those starting out, providing independence in choosing clients and work hours. Data entry, as an entry-level job, emphasizes precision and reliability, making it a straightforward choice for beginners without prior experience. Additionally, copywriting stands out as a flexible career path for aspiring digital nomads, requiring strong writing, communication, and research skills to craft effective content for diverse clients. These roles cater to beginners in the remote work sphere and are in high demand, offering a promising start to your digital nomad journey. Beginner-friendly remote roles. Remote roles for beginners. Embark on your digital nomad journey with beginner-friendly remote roles tailored to kickstart your career in the online workspace. Freelancing and remote writing opportunities are ideal for beginners venturing into the digital nomad lifestyle. Virtual assistant positions provide valuable experience in administrative roles, offering remote support tasks that can help you hone your skills. Entry-level data entry jobs serve as a stepping stone for those looking to initiate their digital nomad adventure. Online online teaching roles cater to beginners, allowing them to share their expertise in various subjects while working remotely. Additionally, beginners with strong writing and communication skills can consider copywriting positions as a starting point in the digital nomad realm. These beginner-friendly opportunities are accessible in the freelance market, providing a platform for you to explore and establish yourself in remote and administrative roles as you begin your digital nomad career. Congratulations on taking the first step towards becoming a digital nomad. With entry-level jobs like graphic designer, social media manager, and online teacher, you can start your remote work journey with ease. Remember to leverage online resources, build your skills, and join communities to support your growth. By choosing beginner-friendly roles and staying proactive in your career development, you'll be well on your way to living the flexible and location-independent lifestyle of a digital nomad. Good luck on your adventure.